everyone. So today I have my February hamster mailbox. I am very excited about this because actually I got this as a surprise. So I have gotten hamster mail for the past 6 months, except I didn't get it last month because my subscription ran out, but I guess it renewed itself on its own, so now I have more hamster mail. So we're going to get right into it. So first we have this. So the charity of the month is the Pact Animal Sanctuary, and they are the largest all animal sanctuary in Norfolk, UK. They have been open since 1995, and they have rehomed or released over 5,000 animals and currently have over 16,000 animals at the sanctuary. They specialize in animals with complex mental or physical needs with a strict no-kill policy, and they are always choosing to rehabilitate no matter the cost. So I am going to link the Pact Animal Sanctuary down below, and if you would like to donate to them or check out the animals they are rehabilitating, I will leave everything down below. So apparently this is supposed to be Valentine's Day themed, so I'm very excited about that. So you can already see that it's Valentine's themed when you open it up because you can see all the red and the pink and all that. So first we have these Rosewood Naturals Little Hearts. This is what they look like. There's some red, green, and yellow hearts. So these contain, it just says cereals, vegetable byproducts, vegetables, alfalfa 3%, and beetroot 1%. So this is what they look like. These are very, very cute, so I'm excited to give these to YB. Next we have these rose flowers, and this is what they look like. And it's literally just dried rose flowers, no other additives or anything like that. So that is definitely a really nice natural treat. Hamsters love roses, and they of course are perfectly safe and healthy for your hamster. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. Next we have this Rosewood Boredom Breaker, and it is a Woody's 3D carrot. This is what it looks like. Apparently it quickly slots together, creating a tough and chunky rolling wooden gnaw. Once you put it together, it kind of rolls around, so they can have fun pushing it around and all that. And there's these slots here, so you can even like hide treats inside of it, hide actual real carrots in there. And then last but not least, we have this Critter's Choice Bright Corny Pom Pom. Yeah, so this is just what it looks like. I think it's just paper or maybe some sort of hay, and it has a hook so you can hang it on the enclosure if you would like. I'm most likely just going to sit it in there because yeah, I don't know, I might hang it off some of the bars, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has orange, green, and yellow, so that's very, very cute. So as you can see, everything ties in together. We have red, yellow, and green here, and then here we have orange, yellow, and green. So everything ties in together, so I like that. All right, guys, so that was everything in this month's hamster mail. Everything was super adorable, perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm very, very excited to give YB these new treats and toys. Thank you so much, hamster mail, for February's box, and like I said, be sure to check out Pact Sanctuary in the description. They do amazing work, and thank you, hamster mail, for letting me know about them. If you all would like to see me open up next month's hamster mail as well, just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.